Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. Before we start the reading, Leos, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings lot of happiness, success and prosperity in our lives, guys. So we will pick few cards, guys, for your daily reading first, for your career situation and relationship. I'll be picking few more cards. So these are for your daily reading, Leos. So these cards are for your career situation. So I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck and 3 more cards for your relationship. So let's start with the daily reading, Leos. It's 7 of Sons, Justice and 5 of Spheres. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are facing some struggles in your life. Something is there in front of you, a huge obstacle that you need to cross, but you are in a advantageous position today. Things are beginning to fall into place slowly, and things will go in the right way towards success, and you see your future unfolding slowly but in that right way. So you see some kind of you have that strong conviction that things will go well for you in your situation. It may be something to do in your career or in your personal life, guys. So, and I also see that you are struggling, but you are making lots of efforts, guys. Lot of efforts today. It may be in your career or personal life to achieve this state. So you are trying really hard to do something, stressing yourself for love or stressing yourself for that career. So whatever it is, you are making lots of efforts. That may be the reason that things are going well for you. You are progressing towards that positive outcome in your life. You are able to find that harmony and balance, able to see the truth in things, that clarity in your actions. So you are also a very honest person, and you want to know the your situation clearly. What is the problem, what is the issue, and you pay attention to it. And I also see that you have that clarity maybe on situations that you were quite confused about, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily reading. Let us see what are these cards for your career situation. It's Astronomer of Spheres in reverse, the Hierophant, and Ace of Moons in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are having people in your career situation who are trying to give you that clarity. People suggesting you, maybe your mentor, your colleague or your team member, someone giving you the guidance, advice in your situation. They know what will be the right action, and they are giving you the right direction. And you don't want to listen to them. You are just hesitating to take their advice, but that advice may work to your benefit, guys. So you need to listen to those people who are trying to give you that advice and knowledge today. And maybe in your situation, on certain things you would have had that doubt, or you are proceeding with some caution but this person is giving you that clarity today. Coming with that clarity, they are giving you that understanding, and you are going through some great changes today in your career situation. The way you handle your situation, you are working with more potential towards that greater potential, guys, and you are putting in lots of efforts, and that may be the reason things are going well for you, guys. And maybe for some of you, there are people who don't have that good intentions towards you. They are suspecting you of some things, and they don't have that trust on you, but I see that you will be able to overcome all that with this advice or people coming with good suggestions, and you will be able to find that balance in your situation, Leos. That is what I see with these cards, guys. Let us see what are the cards for your relationship. It's a Hermit in reverse, Hangman in reverse, and 10 of Sons. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, it may be what this person feels about you or what you feel about them. This person, or you may feel this way about them, or they may feel this way about you. So maybe you are quite selfish or they are selfish. You are accusing each other for something going wrong in your situation, and you do not want to find that solution. You are just going on with arguments or some kind of misunderstandings. You don't want to find that solution. Maybe today the best thing to do is, best course of action today in your relationship is silence, guys. So if you are able to wait till this stormy phase passes out, you will be able to find that better understanding with this person. So maybe on certain things, if this person is arguing with you, you have to be quiet. That will bring a good result in this connection, guys. That will bring that better understanding. So whatever was not working for you, you have to wait till that person gets that understanding. So patience is what is necessary today for you all, guys, Leos, in this connection. And maybe for some of you, this person is quite immature. They are always judging you, they are always accusing you, and they are being very selfish. So you have to be patient till they get that understanding, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.